Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to download and set up WhatsApp Business on your laptop in 2025 step by step. Whether you are a small business owner or managing customer chats, this guide is super easy to follow. First, open your browser and go to the official website whatsapp.com or WhatsApp Business. Here you will see options for both mobile and desktop versions. Always download from the official site to stay safe and avoid malware. So click on the download for Windows or download for Mac button. Then depending on your laptop, once the file is downloaded, open it and follow the installation setup. It's just like installing any other software. After installation, open WhatsApp Business on your laptop. You will see a QR code on the screen. Now open WhatsApp Business on your phone and go to menu options. Then find the scroll down and linked device. Then link device and scan the QR code using your phone. Then within seconds, your WhatsApp Business account will sync you with your laptop. Once login, you can send and receive customer message directly from your laptop and create quick replies and labels, manage your catalog and business profile. Then all the features from your phone are available here for faster workflow. If you don't want to install the desktop apps, you can also use WhatsApp Web for Business. Just visit uh, web.whatsapp.com. Here you can see this and scan the QR code from your phone and start using it instantly. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded and set up WhatsApp Business on your laptop in 2025. Hope you are enjoying this video, and if this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe the channels.